Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into your DC Health account on your web portal. So, what is DC Health? DC Health refers to District of Columbia Department of Health, the government agency responsible for public health matters in Washington DC. Now let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to DC Health account. You can do this by typing DC Health Login. Now click on Login under DC Health link. After that, you will be directed to login page of DC Health. Enter your username and your password, then click on Login. Make sure you already have an account to DC Health to smoothly log into your account. If you do not have an account, click on Get Started and register your account. If you have forgotten your login information to DC Health, you can recover it by clicking on Forgot Username and by clicking on Forgot Your Password. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into DC Health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.